Hi, it's Mike again with Enterprise Express Tax Service. The topic today is the Biden administration student loan forgiveness plan. As of today, October the 10th of 2022, the White House has given us a teaser about the form that will soon be released where we can apply for student loan forgiveness. This has dragged on for a little bit. We've been expecting some movement on this, and it hasn't happened for a couple of weeks. My guess is it's some of it is politics. Of course, there's been a lot of threats of court action against this Biden administration student loan forgiveness plan because, of course, some people do not like the plan in its current form, would rather have it, be adjusted into some other form that's more palatable. The truth is that you really can't please everyone. The administration, when President Biden was campaigning, student loan forgiveness was one of the things, one of the tenets that he campaigned on. And the public or his supporters have been looking forward to him doing something about this. So it's about time. It most likely is not the perfect plan, but there again, what is? So we're looking forward to moving forward with this. Now, from what we've seen, the form does seem pretty straightforward. It's not yet released publicly, but we've been given a teaser of what it's like. It seems fairly straightforward. Of course, as you know, the the basis upon which anyone qualifies for the plan is it's income based. So if you're single and you earn under 125,000, you qualify to apply for forgiveness. If you are married and being married meaning what did you file on your last tax return? Did you file married filing joint? So if you did file married filing joint, then your income qualification, joint income qualification is 250,000. And if you filed single, then that qualification, the income qualification for that would be 125,000. And again, the other caveat there, and I'm just going through this because I'm just reviewing it just in case anyone forgot what the qualifications were. You can qualify to be forgiven for up to 10,000. And if you got a Pell Grant, PELL grant, then you probably could qualify to be forgiven for up to $20,000. So it seems the max is $20,000, and you know, then the other minimum is well, not minimum, but between 10,000 and 20,000 if you got the Pell Grant. So those are the conditions for the student loan forgiveness. Again, this is just an update. I've probably reviewed the main points of the forgiveness plan in some of my prior videos. I just wanted to let people know that the form should soon be released. But the White House today has given us a picture of what that form will be look like. And apparently it's a form that can be accessed on not just on your desktops, but also on your mobile phones. Well, should be, I mean, in this modern age, but it can be accessed on your mobile phones. It will be accessible in both Spanish and English. I don't know about any other languages, but for sure, we've been told that it will be accessible in Spanish and English. And the White House used the words no frills, meaning that it's going to be a simple, accessible form that should be easy to complete within 10 to 15 minutes at the most. So that's what we've been told. So we'll keep updating you on the student loan forgiveness. The other thing that you could do to keep updated is to go on to the the student loan website and register for updates. You're going to have to put in your phone number by which you can be contacted and maybe an email address. And by so doing, you will get regular updates on what's going on with the student loan forgiveness. Now, having said that, I did the same myself and I have not gotten any updates recently. So who knows how well that works. But again, we're going to be here updating you as this goes along. Of course, what we want everyone to do is as soon as that form's out, go ahead and apply, because you know how things go. I kind of like to be ahead of the game. Go ahead and apply so that if there are any issues, you kind of know what those issues could be. Now, um, the other thing I wanted to mention is this: if you are on what's called an income reduction program, and that's a program whereby you can have your student loan payments either lowered, or you can qualify not to make any payments at all based on your income. Then it's most likely that you are already automatically registered for the student loan forgiveness because the government already has your income information. So that's another thing that we were told, that if you're on that income reduction program that qualifies you to make extremely low payments or no payments at all, then it's most likely that you may not even have to register. But we've been told that if that's the case, you'll get a letter stating that the government already has your information and there probably is not much else that you need to do. All right. So once again, it's Michael Abbey with Enterprise Express Tax Service giving you updates on the Biden administration student loan program. Um, Hoping everyone is having a great time and staying safe, and keep checking up on our business page. We're on YouTube, we're on LinkedIn, we're also on Facebook, and we are your tax preferred tax preparation service. Thanks and bye.